Okay. Okay, hello everyone, welcome back to the video. Today I'm eating again, just like all the time. I mean, what? But hello, I'm not talking about it. No. No, yummy. It's so delicious. Okay. You prepared for everything, did you? Yes. Battlefield because it's American. I'm just eating. I'm just vibing. I'm just eating. Am I getting teleported or what? There we go. I'm still eating. These are delicious. Not sponsoring or anything. Okay. Ah! My seat. My seat! No, that's my seat! Damn it! Ah! What the? I'm not gonna say it. Ah! I'm sir. No. You're not sir. You're not sir. You're miss. You're miss. There we go. I'm making them. Make that a real suggestion, boys. That's the real. The battery still isn't work. What do you mean the batteries? No, no 8 hour. Rocket. Hey. What? What? This is a weird lobby. No, this fault. This is a weird lobby. Let's fly. Oh my God, there's one person from this point on. Yeah, I'm still eating. Heard that. Or else you will be expelled from the team. Oh no! I didn't even sign up for this, so why do I even drop to join? What is going on? What is going on? What are you talking about? To the point. Yeah, we'll get to the point. Yes. What do you mean? Okay. General Poncho. Hi, General Poncho. Oh, well. Wait, who's that? Yes. This is our target. Wow, okay. Okay, his name is Ronald. Ronald McDonald? Wait, he's the one. Wait, remember that Airplane Story 2? He was the president. Oh, he was the president. Oh my God, that's the president. He's a criminal. We should have not listening. That's where we were headed. Okay. Oh no! Oh, that's bad. I eat it. Let's get another captain of an airplane. What? Wait. Oh no! Everyone in the plane must be in danger. Oh my God! It's on the ground. Let me guess. It's on the ground. Yeah. It's on the ground. Let me guess. Oh, in auto plane. Okay. I'm still right. They were not, dead. Mission is to stop Ronald. Why is that boy older than that? Yeah. We need to find the plane and get everyone out safely. No, I won't. I'm not a happy boy. I'm an angry boy. To find Ronald and bring him to justice. But how? Oh, that's me! But how are we gonna get to the plane? No! Actually, okay. Hang on. Remember of my, my Gacha Life video? Yeah, everyone knows that. I'm gonna post Gacha Club. Don't know which Gacha Club is. Like literally the best version of Gacha Life. It's pretty perfect. Wait. What if I just stand here? Get in! You mortal fools! No, okay. I actually don't want it to fall. Yeah. Okay, I already played this map and I know what to do, so I'll just jump here to say, I'll just like, no! Hey, let's go! See ya! fallen to the plane. See ya. I'm just gonna go down here. I'm enjoying. Okay, I'm like jump. Last to jump. This is a Mr. Beast video. Last to jump. Yeah, let's go down. Welcome to the military. Oh my god, wait. Oh, red. Red. Why am I screaming? That is how we will going to save the air. Oh, I think that's a military base. A military plane or something like that. I don't know what it's called. Because I'm not like military god or something. Leaving this plane. A military outfit. Yeah, that's true. Let's go. Nice. That guy is full of memes. No. This is pink. This is pink. But he actually is pink, actually. This is pink. John already died. What do you mean? Okay, oh, I can't go here. XD. What's that? What's that over there? I don't want to fall off, so I don't want to die. Checking the plane. Ooh, okay. I'm gonna go. What is that? That's that fuel. Oh no, wait, is that a fuel? I think that is fuel. Okay, I'm not gonna move because I don't want to die. And then I fuel. Ah! Plane tank completely before. Take off. What? What do you mean, what? Hey, it's me. Oh, so that's the fuel now. Okay, that I was right. Okay, let's go. I'm gonna be big brain. Yeah, I think we already get what to do. What? No, that doesn't count. Okay, yeah, nothing happened. I'm sorry, okay? Yeah, I'm okay. Sorry, guys. I didn't mean to. That doesn't count, guys. That doesn't count. Okay, this is... I definitely stayed alive. Yeah, okay. Yeah. Give me that. Okay, this is so... Oh my god, this is strong. I feel like I'm dead. Oh my god, I'm almost dead. I lived. How is that possible? Okay, there was a bear. There's a bear. It's a cute bear. Bam! I get the last one. No one even get it. Guys, are you okay in the head? Who are the only left one? I think we two are the only left. I think they all fallen or died by the lasers. Oh no. Hello? I got it. Okay. Don't touch the laser. Come here. I thought, okay. Come here. Come here. Boop. Get a teddy bear. I'm getting a teddy bear. See that teddy bear right there? Nozzles are collected. I think we're the only ones left. Oh my god. That scared me. I have a teddy. Okay, I do not want to walk off. But that scares me. I want to walk off because I might die. I think me and this guy are the only ones left. We're gonna complete this. 100%. No way. Stuck. Okay. The ones left. We're the only left. We're the only left, I think. Pilot? Why did he even care? We don't care about the part. Starting the engine. We don't care. I don't want to jump. I don't want to fall. And it's ready. Is it on the objective farm? Connect the 4 nozzles. We already did that. The only one's left, I think. I think you can see that. What is Teddy for? kinda. Okay, am I recording? I think I'm not. Okay, yes, I am recording. Okay, I thought I was gonna say I'm just gonna cry if I wasn't recording, dude. I am going to cry. Oh my god, thank you so much you're here right now. Just can say you really. Closing door, prepare for takeoff. He says, fail safe. Yep. I'm just gonna say yep. Yep. Oi, bananas! Hey! Say bananas. The bananas. Save the bananas. Oh my gosh! Okay, I'm just gonna go. Oh, I thought you could be hungry. It's scary. Save. 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 Okay, take one bite. Take one bite and you will die. Take one bite. It's scary. What? It's poison! No! 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 I told you. What? Haha. I'm just kidding. Oh, shut up. Shut up, old man. That is not funny. That is not funny. I'm sorry. I just had... Good bananas. I'm safe. Boom, boom. Back. Back. Robux. Nope, I don't have Robux. No, I'm just kidding. I'm trying to trick this guy. Because we have the general. We're stuck by lightning. Are you kidding me? You ready? You ready, lad? You ready, lad? You ready, lad? Oh, this is so wobbly. Oh, it's making me sick. Need everyone cover me out there. No, wait. Out there. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Come on, sister. Oh, we're ready. So scary. Why are you at the ground? Why are you at the ground? And where's... You fix the motor. The other motor is okay? Yeah. No, okay. I need to run. I don't want to get struck by anything. Okay, I'm gonna cover him. What are you doing? Really save us. I think it doesn't think that it can save us, but it actually just do this. Okay, cover me and try not to get struck. Uh-oh. That's not good. That's not good at all. And how are you at the ground? Okay, that's one I think. I think the red. Oh my god, that indicates. I think that indicates it. Yeah, I think we're safe when we have the teddies open. Yeah, I think this is a new clip. Yeah, okay, I'm gonna like spectate out. I'm standing still. If there's lightning on my like red things on my foot, I have to get out of there. This is so scary. Okay, the end suspense. There's one right there. It'll be on our foot. 100%. No. How is this so easy? We're just standing still. We're just standing still. Okay, okay. Oh! I'm gonna get out of here! Oh my gosh! The motor is fixed now! Good! Good! Okay, let's go back down! Let's go back! I've never seen such a storm. I just stand here. Yep. I don't... Oh! Oh! Hello! 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 You will not stop this fate. This is not so scary at all. Would be like burn! Spooky. Okay, fire! Oh no, we're gonna die. 100%. 100%. Guys, quickly inside the plane. You're crouching. You should have burned the entire plane, then just, But we're living in a story with no existence. Where is the skeleton? Okay, I'm sorry, General. Oh no, wait, please don't make me glitch out. Okay, good. It didn't glitch me out. Showing skeleton. We didn't see no skeleton. Oh no. I think we're crazy now. What the? I can't. What the? We're almost there. Yeah, definitely. We're totally almost there. Okay, I'm scared, bro. I'm scared. I'm still sending. I'm gonna eat my things. I'm eating. I'm stress eating. God, I'll accept. Thanks so much. Pay close attention. We will sneak through the back door of the kidnapped plane. Is the kidnapped plane here now? How is this possible? Okay, I'm just gonna look at the windows. There's literally nothing. There's literally no. Is it in front of us or? Oh wait, this is the back of us. Wait, this is the front, I think. We're not soldiers. We're not soldiers. We're just kids. I need my teddy. Teddy. Okay, oh my god, okay. Okay, wait, there's a, oh, I see that. Okay, oh, it's a hammer. Oh, hammer. There's a hammer. Hammer. Get it. Hammer. To do this my whole life. What do you mean, oh no? You better hurry. Oh no. Get the storage. Open this door, yeah. Get it. I'll just go. Then you got a hammer. Okay, I'm so scared right now. Because if we die now, this will be ending of their lives. No! Oh my god, my food! Ronald! What are you doing there? Ronald, how did you get here? Magic. Oh, there's people! Oh no! Get the people! Get the people! There's no time to go in after him. Yeah, I think so. We just kill him. We need to save everyone on the plane. Wait, how did they get kidnapped, every one of them? I go here, you go there. You go here. Go. I get these guys. I get on the left. You get on the right. That's a big... There's a baby! On the left. We go on the right. There we go. I'll be on the... Okay. There we go. Now we all the noobs. Thank you. Oh, there we go. Great. But there is still one left. Or maybe two. What? The captain. Wait! What? Or maybe the co-pilot. I don't know. Please speak. Speak. I know what to do. I know what to do. Let me speak. I got this. I got this. Thank you so much. Okay, who wants to be the hero? Me. Step in front of the captain door. Yeah. I will do it. I will do it. Alright. You will we trust you, Master Chris 1000. Yes! Okay, I'm gonna win. I'm gonna win. I'm gonna open the door! Ronald, open the door! I'm raging right now. We can't work this out. What do you mean work this out? We can't. He's a criminal. Oh, how did you get here? So shaky. Yep. Oh, let the captain go. I can't move. I actually can't. Don't understand anything. You do understand. You like to crash a plane. You like to crash a plane. We like to crash the plane. You're ruining my plans. Listen to what I'm going to say. What do I do? What do I do? What is wrong, Ronald? Oh, Ronald. What is wrong, Ronald? Tell us what made you do this. Yeah, that's right. That's right. He's still saying, all right, because I was a kid. Everyone made fun of me. Oh no! I feel so bad when I had problems. There was no one there. Oh, I feel bad. All I ever wanted is a friend. We can be your friends. No, you don't have to do this. Yeah. We can be your friends. Yeah, no one deserves to save you friends. Would you really do that for me? Of course! Of course, it's just for I don't care. I don't care if it's a monster or not. Everyone deserves a life. You will be friends because you are a good person. Yes, I don't know if you can save me. I've taken things too far. It's okay, Ronald. Never too late to do the right things. It's never. I will stop. Goodness, stop! Dot. Hey, Ronald. Doing well. No. Oh no. Oh no. That's bad. That's bad. That's bad. That's bad. Bad. That's bad. Oh! No. Hey, General, let's just get out of here. I'm sorry. See ya. The General, okay, let's just stay here. Wait. The captain room is burning. I think that was a skeleton. Skeleton did that. There's no time. It's about to explode. No! Take this parachute. Okay, I'll take it, please. There we go. I took the parachute. Here we go. But General, what about you? Oh no. Where do I go? We won't leave you here. Oh no. That's the burning. Oh no, I'm gonna be so sad if they die. I will save Ronald and the captain. There is no time. Just go. Oh no. With you soldiers. No. Oh, where do I go? Oh no, fire. Wait, I can see. The back engine door is open. We need to get there. Okay. I'll follow this guy. Okay, I know. Oh, there's fire. There's spaces here. Okay. Oh, that's another way to go. No. It's time. See ya, boys. It's time. I can't believe it. He sacrificed his life for me. And it's on the bottom there. Oh no, I can't believe it. I don't believe it. I don't believe it. I don't believe it. I really don't believe it. I really don't. I don't believe everything. No, I don't. No, 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 no. This doesn't count. Wow. Hi guys. Hey, you guys are saved. Hello, person. Oh my gosh. No, I don't believe it. I don't believe, huh? Thanks for saving my dad. Hey, Captain, you made it. Yeah, he made it. I did. Thanks for saving my dad. Thanks for saving me. Life. Yeah. Oh, they're doing a dance, but where is General Poncho? Oh no, please don't tell. General Poncho gave his life to save everyone on that plane. No. No. No, I don't believe this. Good ending! Bruh. No way. I don't want him to die. I don't want him to die. Oh, oh my god. I have to remember that. I can't. It's Nezuko, man, things guy. No, I don't believe it. I don't believe it. I don't believe it. Damn it. Damn it. I think we're just gonna end the video. Alright guys, see you next time for another video. I hope you like it. See you next time. Bye!